Niaje my guys. I've been up since 3:45. It's now 9:30. Ndio mpango ya leo inaanza maze. So we are going to hike up to Table Mountain.
And the lights are out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it.
Visibility down to nothing. The mist has cleared up for us to see the summit. That's the hill that we chose to die on today. We made it. We are the summit. Come on! Table Mountain. Done! Tumemaliza hike 5 hours 42 minutes, 10.55 kilometers mazee. I'm super glad. So there's another group that's behind, bado wanakam. But it was challenging, very steep gradients, but going up was actually the easy part for me. Kushuka mteremko ni hard. The reason why I'm hiking is because I'm getting myself ready to go and tackle Mount Kenya. So by the time you're watching this video, probably I'll be in it. So hapo kwa comments was I need all the good vibes, positive energy. Niachie hapo kwa comment ukini psych up, nita appreciate mazee. Ile time mtapata network, nikiziona nitabambika mazee. Cheers guys.